In this video, I am going to show you the best and easiest way of exchanging your hash cards given in the Satoshi mining app. Now, I have explained in one of the videos I have dropped in this channel before about what hash cards means and its contribution to my hash. Now, hash card is like a function or it's a kind of command that enables you to increase the rate of your mining by increasing the value of your my hash. Now, when you click on hash cards, okay, you discover that here I have series of hash cards given, ranging from spider card, beetle card, ant card, and witness card. Now, each of these cards has its hash rate, which it gives to those who participate in the card exchange. Now, as you can see on this screen, the spider card, once you exchange the spider card, you are going to get 3k hash. For the beetle card, you're going to get 1k hash. For the ant card, you have 2k hash. And the witness card, you have 10k hash. Okay, and it is increasing by the rate of this 5%. Each of these ant cards, each of the first 3 cards increases your my hash by 5%. Now, when you take a look at this witness card here, you see that its rate is 50%, which is higher than the one of spider card, beetle card, and ant card. Now, as we have about 4 hash cards here, to exchange these hash cards faster, you are going to make use of different social media handles where these hash cards are being exchanged. Okay, now before I end this video, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link in this video. In my WhatsApp group, we also exchange hash cards with other miners. Now, before we proceed, I want you to take note of this. When you exchange a card, be it spider card, beetle card, ant card, or witness card, or any other kind of card, when you exchange it with a miner, with that miner, you cannot exchange any other hash card with that miner. So what it means is that you exchange your hash card with a miner once in a lifetime. Okay, now we proceed. First of all, I'm going to show you 2 ways of exchanging your hash cards. We'll be starting with the first one here, which you can see on the screen, which is the spider card. Now, the first step is how to initiate a spider card. Then, after that, I'm going to show you how to join a hash card which someone else have initiated. Now, in order to initiate this hash card, what I will do now is I'm going to click on this initiate button. So once I click on it, here I am going to select the number of persons that I wish to initiate this card with. We have 2, we have 3, we have 4, and we have 5. Now I'll be going with 5. Okay, now the reason I'm going with 5 is despite the fact that we have been given the rate of percentage increase of our my hash once we exchange these hash cards, the number of persons you exchange the cards with also plays a very great role. Now, it works in this principle: the higher the number of persons, the higher the my hash, or the higher the rate of my hash increment which you are going to get. Now, what I mean is this: when you initiate for 2 persons, it is not the same. You are not going to get the same my hash increment as if you have initiated for 4 people. And if you initiate for 4 people, it does not mean that you are going to get the same value when you initiate for 5 persons. The higher the number of persons, the higher the hash rate that you are going to get. Now, before we proceed, it is very important that you read this. Okay, please read this and understand it very well. Okay, it says that in the exchange process, we have the initiate exchange, the share exchange code, the invite others to join in the exchange, full attendance, blah blah blah. You can just read this. Now we are going to proceed. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'm going to click on this initiate button. Already I have selected 5 persons, as you can see it on this screen. So I'm going to click right now on initiate. Okay, so once I click on initiate, I'll give it some seconds. It says the hash card exchange initiated successfully. Now I have initiated these hash cards for 5 persons. So I'm going to close it, then I will go back. Now when you come here now, you discover that this is the exchange which I initiated. Okay, this is the exchange which I initiated. Now here I'm going to see the final hash that we'll be going to get is 3.15k hash. So what I will need to do next is I am going to copy these hash cards, this hash code. Now this is the code, the exchange code. I hope you can see it. Now this is the exchange code. So I'm going to copy this exchange code by clicking on the copy button. Then I will go and share it to other miners so that they will join. All right, so now in doing that, what I'll do is I'll click on the copy button, just as I've said before. Once I click on the copy button, it says copy successfully. You can now share it with your friends. So I have copied it. Now I am going to go back. Firstly, one of the social media handles that I want us to be making use of to make our card exchange faster is the Medium. Okay, the Medium. Now remember, before we proceed, remember the name of this card. The name of this card is Spider Card. So right now I am going to go to my Medium. Okay, but I'm going to go via this app. Now what I'll do is I'm going to click on this. This is the symbol for the Medium. Now in this Medium channel belongs to Satoshi app. Okay, it belongs to Satoshi team. All right, so I will go there and I will exchange these cards with other miners. In that group, we have a lot of persons that are mining and are in that group. So once I click on it, you see it will bring me directly to the exchange card group. When you see information like this, you just click on accept invite. Okay, then I will go back. Sorry, do not be confused. I will go back because already I am a member. So when you click on that, if you are not part of this Discord group, sorry, not Medium, I said Medium before, this is Discord. Okay, this is Discord. So you will be given, once you click on that icon, you will be asked to verify. Okay, just read the instruction, follow the instruction, you verify, then you'll be logged in. Now, and when you log in, this is their channel titles. Okay, this is the announcement section, this is the general chat section, this is the exchange hash card group. Now our attention is here because what we intend to do is we want to exchange our hash card. So what I'll be doing now is I'm going to click on this exchange hash card, which will take me to the group. So I'm going to tap on the message section, and the code, the spider code which I copied, I am going to paste it here. Then I am going to title it spider card. I'm going to title it spider card. Then I will send it. Okay, I will send it. Now as you can see, I have a countdown time. Okay, and once that countdown exceeds, the message which I just sent will drop. Now this is the countdown time. As you can see, it is counting down. All right, now this same code, while we wait for this time, I'll go to my Telegram channel. Okay, I'll go to Telegram channel, and in doing that, I will still go back to my Satoshi app. I'll click on add project. Okay, I'll click on this add project. Then I don't want to make this complicated. These are very simple steps. I'll click on this open X. Okay, we are trying to get their Twitter, their Telegram handle. I'll click on this. Then once it loads up, I'll locate their Telegram handle. Now it has opened, so I'll click on this open X Telegram. Okay, this is what I'll be clicking right now. I'll click on it, open X Telegram. Now it will take me to open X Telegram handle where cards are being exchanged. Now this is it. Okay, you take a look, you can see that here we have 200,000 members. Okay, those people that are mining, we have 200,000 miners here. So what I'll need to do is the same code which I pasted in the Discord handle. I'm going to send the same code to this OpenX Network Telegram handle, and I'm going to type spider card. I'm going to title it. Now if you take a look, before I send, if you take a look, you see different persons sending different exchange card codes. All right, so if you like, you can tell them the number of persons that you have exchanged for. So I'm going to say just 4 or 5 participants. Okay, it is not necessary, you can just send the code there, it doesn't matter. So I will send it right now. Okay, so once it sends, whoever that has this spider card, just like this very person here, as you can see, someone else has spider card, the person can copy and the person will join the exchange which I have initiated. All right, so we're going back now to our Satoshi app. Okay, we'll go back. So to check the progress of the card you have initiated, you click on the hash card once again. Okay, this is the button for the hash cards. When you click on it, you hold on. Okay, I'm being disturbed by network. Oh, now guys, take a look at this. Take a look at this. I have shared this card, and as you can see, a lot of persons have joined the initiation and it is complete. Okay, now this is the first person, this is the second person, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. Now also take note of this. I'm the initiator. I initiated spider card. This second person that joined used spider card. This one used spider card. This one used spider card, and this one as well used spider card. Now, why I want to lay emphasis on this is because some persons may be joining with a wrong card. Okay, you may not be penalized if you execute the exchange, but it is necessary that you exchange, or rather you allow those who have the exact card to join your initiation. If you have someone, for instance, if this person has used or have used let's say witness card, you can exit by clicking on this X button. It will exit that person automatically. So personally, I suggest do not allow someone who has a different card to join with the card you have initiated for exchange. Let spider go for spider, witness card go for witness card, ant card go for ant card. All right, okay, now we are going to proceed. Okay, now remember before now I made a post in the Discord handle, and what it means is by having people join the card which I initiated, that means that the what I sent, it has gone successfully. That is the countdown time which I was given, it has been posted successfully, and that is why we easily discover that a lot of persons have joined. Now when you discover that this is full already, what you need to do is you click on the exchange, execute exchange. But before we do that, please take a note, please check to know the value of your myhash, the current value of your myhash. Okay, so that when you execute the exchange, you know the difference that it has created in value at your myhash section. So I'm going to click on the execute exchange right now. Okay, that is this. I'm going to click on it right now. As you can see, it says, are you sure you want to execute the exchange? I'll click on confirm. That is, I am very, very sure. Okay, now take a look at this. You see that the myhash has increased from 670 something down to 680.95. So guys, that is how to execute or initiate a card exchange. Okay, remember I told you that there are two ways. It is either you initiate or you join. The example I just showed you is how to initiate. That is, if you want to be the one, the initiator, if you want to be the one who initiates the card exchange, okay, you click on the initiate button. That is what we've just done. All right, this is the initiate button. Now the next thing I want to show you now is how to join. That is the second way of how to join. Now the difference between initiating and joining is, if you are the one that initiates and you share your card with other miners, those miners will join what you have initiated. But if you are the one, if they are the one, if a different person is the one that has initiated, you will now be the one to join them. So right now I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to take note of the cards that I have. Then I'll go to those social media handles, the Discord or the Telegram, and I'm going to trace and look out for those who have beetle card, ant card, witness card. Yours may be different. You may have more or you may have less. You just work in accordance with the number and the title of the card you have. Please do not copy a wrong code. Always copy the one that you have. and the one I have here is beetle, the ant, and the witness. So right now I'm going to go to the Discord handle of the Satoshi app. So I'll click on it right now. Then I'll trace for someone who has, okay, I'm going to accept this invite again. I'll go back, then I'll click on exchange hash cards. Okay, exchange hash cards group. Okay, now I remember I have beetle, ant, and witness, so I'm going to find it. Okay, now someone here has beetle card, so I'm going to copy right now. Let me copy. I'll copy the text, I'll paste it here, then I will edit out the beetle card. I will copy it, then I will go back and I'll click on the join button. Okay, this is the join button. I'll click on join button, then I will paste the card and I'll click on the confirm button. This is the confirm button. I'll click on it, then I will wait. It says the hash card exchange joined successfully. That means I have successfully joined the exchange which another person have initiated. Now, and if you take a look at this, you discover that I am the last person. Okay, that means what the person initiated for, there are lots of people who have joined and it is filled up already. So here now I have cancel join here. I don't have execute exchange, just like we had in the previous example which I showed you. Now if I'm no more interested in joining this person's exchange, maybe if the person wastes my time, or maybe if the person is not fast enough to execute, I may decide to cancel, but it is not necessary. Okay, but if the person takes like maybe 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, the person have not initiated or rather executed this exchange, what you need to do, you just come here, you cancel the join by clicking on the cancel join button, then you look for another person who have the card. Okay, so on that person's dashboard, you will be seeing here execute exchange, just like I said before. So I'm not going to take any action here again. I am going to wait. Okay, I'm going to wait for the person to log in, then check if he has executed the exchange. Now what I have here now is I have the ant card and the witness card. So for the ant card, I'll be initiating as well. Okay, so I'll click on the initiate. I'll also select 5 persons. I'll click on the initiate button. Then it says the hash card exchange initiated successfully. I'll close it, then I will come here. This is what I initiated. Remember, this is the ant card, okay, and I'm the one that initiated it. So the final hash rate that I'm going to get is 2.10k. So what I'll do now is to exchange it with other miners. I'm going to click on this copy button. So I'll click on it right now. I'll click on the close button. Then I'll go to the Discord. Remember, it is ant card. I'll go to the Discord. Remember, this is our Discord. So I'll tap on that little icon. So once I tap on it, it will take me to the exchange hash card group. So I'm going to accept the invite just as we did before. Then I'll go back. I'll click on the exchange hash cards. So once I click on it, it will take me to the group. I'll have to edit this text. So once I edit this text, then I will paste mine. I'm trying to edit it or to delete it. So I'm going to paste this. Then remember that what we copied is what? To verify, it's ant card. Okay, so I'm going to give it the title ant card. I can say for 5 persons. All right, so I'm going to send it right now, then we'll wait for the countdown. But before I send it, let me also copy it because I want to send it to the Telegram. So I'll click on this right now. Okay, you see I have 1 minute. The countdown time has begun already, and this is it. So I'm going to be patient. I'll wait for it. Now I'll go to my Telegram handle. Okay, I think network, okay, the network is okay right now. So I'm also going to paste it here, and once I paste it, I'm going to send it. Okay, it says failed, maybe because I have just sent some minutes ago. You know, every member in this kind of group, every member have limited time and limited number of text to send, and maybe that is why you see fail here. It says failed. So I'll be patient enough. I'll be patient. I'll go to the Discord group and I'll also wait for the countdown time. You have to be patient with all this. They are very simple steps, but we just have to be patient. Okay, So why this counts down, why it counts down, let's go back to our Satoshi app. Then we have witness card left here. Okay, in this case I'm going to join. I'm going to click on the join button. Okay, so I'll go and look for someone that has witness card. So let me go to the group. Okay, witness card. So I'll trace it, witness card. I have not seen witness card here, so you have to be patient. Once you see the witness card, what you do is you copy it. All right, you copy it and you go and join the exchange. Witness card, I'm still looking for that. So let me go to the Telegram. It may be faster there. Sorry, I'll go back and I will search for witness card. Okay, I have seen one here, so I'm going to copy this and I'll paste it here. I'll copy out this text, then I will go to my group, my app, and I'll paste it and click on the confirm button. It says hashcard exchange joined successfully. Okay, so as you can see, I have two persons already. That is myself, the initiator, and myself. Okay, now this is the one which I initiated. Okay, someone already have joined, and if you take a look at this, you discover that this person have not executed the exchange which he initiated. So we're just going to be patient with all of them. Okay, we have to be patient with the ones I initiated and the ones I joined, so that people will join and I will come back here and execute for the one that I have initiated, and I'll wait for those who have initiated to click on the execute exchange button, so that my hash here will increase. Okay, so guys, that is how to exchange hash cards easily. You make use of the Twitter handle, you make use of the Discord, you also make use of the Telegram handle. All right, now if I go to my Telegram channel, you discover that there are some other core mining groups where cards are being exchanged. That is, other groups that have been mining OEX, where you can exchange hash cards, like this very group which I just highlighted. In this group, we have lots of persons sending messages. We have 141,000 plus persons here, those who are miners. All right, so what I'll do here now is I can also try to check to know whether the card I'm looking for is here. You can also exchange your card here in this group. So I'm going to drop this group, this Telegram group link in the description, so that you join and exchange your card easily. Like I said before, now I will also drop my WhatsApp group, so that you can join my WhatsApp group, where we also exchange hash cards. Okay, so when you have multiple groups, it makes it easier for you to get people who will join the exchange that you have initiated. All right, so guys, that is how to do it. If you have any question, please do well to drop your question at the comment section below. Now, before we leave, today is 12th of April. Tomorrow, the OEX which we are mining we're going to start connecting our wallet, our withdrawal wallet address. I've dropped the video. That's the last video I dropped in this channel before this very one. So if you have not watched that video, I'm going to drop the link in the description as well, so that you click on it and watch the video to learn the procedures against tomorrow being April 13th. So guys, it is important that you participate in this hash card exchange, because it helps you to increase your mine hash, which will enable you to mine faster, because currently the rate of mining it's very slow, so it is difficult to mine even one OEX. Okay, currently we are also mining the glyph, that is the OG on this network and on this app. Okay, this is the OG, that's the glyph exchange, and also we also have the BWB points being mined as well. So guys, feel free to ask me any question you wish. Feel free to drop your question at the comment section if you have any. If you find this video educative, do well to promote this channel by clicking on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do well to give a thumbs up to this video, like this video. Feel free to share this video to your community. Okay, then if you have any question, like I said earlier, drop it at the comment section below. Remember, I am dropping my WhatsApp group link in the description. Feel free to join my WhatsApp group. Feel free to chat me up in my WhatsApp, and feel free to ask me any question. Thank you for being with me to the end of this video. I hope to see you in my next video.